This project will position the UK as a leading player in the third revolution in aviation. AGS, who own Aberdeen, Glasgow and Southampton airports, part funded by Innovate UK Future Flight Competition, is leading a consortium in developing the UK's first national distribution network using drones to transport essential medicines, blood and organs and other medical supplies throughout Scotland.
The drone technology that we're using today will allow us to speed up the delivery of much needed medical care to people living in remote rural areas in and around Scotland.
A drone delivery network could connect hospitals, pathology laboratories, distribution centres and GP surgeries across Scotland.
Within the next 12 months we will see trials where air traffic control and NHS digital platforms will come together, delivering medical care to people living in remote rural areas in Scotland, meaning that they no longer have to travel to urban cities for their treatments.
Drone technology has the potential to transform our ability to deliver a range of critical NHS services, enabling improvements in quality, efficiency and sustainability. There is a need to demonstrate the viability, scalability and efficiency of this technology, its potential impact across the NHS and future applications of the technology. The CAELUS project will provide this critical evidence with insight from health and aviation experts across industry, academia and the public sector. This fusion of skills and knowledge will help accelerate the pace of adoption of innovative technologies and supports our work to strengthen health and social care innovation in Scotland.
Not only does drone technology have the ability to speed up the delivery of critical medical supplies, it could reduce waiting times for test results and, more importantly, help provide equity of care between urban and remote rural communities.
It also has a benefit to the environment because it means that we now take vehicles off the road that would normally be servicing those patients.
Although our focus is on healthcare, the CAELUS project could pave the way for the deployment of drone-enabled logistics in other sectors and has the potential to change the way airspace is used by manned and unmanned vehicles. This is an opportunity to work with aviation colleagues to explore the innovative use of drone technology to address some of the potential challenges facing daily delivery of NHS services. AGS is proud to lead the UK's first medical delivery drone network.